LangChain is popular, but building real AI agents needs more than prompts and chains. Once your app needs memory, tool control, retries, human approval, or multi-step decisions, basic chaining can feel limited. That is why developers compare LangGraph, CrewAI, AutoGen, Semantic Kernel, and LlamaIndex before choosing their agent stack. Want an agent that does not randomly wander? LangGraph is built for stateful, controllable agent workflows. It is useful when an AI must remember steps, call tools, retry failures, or move through a graph-like process. Think of it as the control room for production agents, not just a chatbot wrapper. For multi-agent videos, this comparison gets clicks. CrewAI feels like assigning roles to a team, while AutoGen focuses on agents talking and solving together. CrewAI is easier to explain for business workflows. AutoGen is interesting for research-style collaboration and human-in-the-loop tasks. Which one fits your project? A structured team or a smart discussion room? Not every agent problem is about planning. Many fail because they do not have the right knowledge. LlamaIndex is strong when your agent must search documents, databases, PDFs, or company knowledge before answering. For support bots, research assistants, and internal tools, retrieval quality can matter more than fancy agent conversation. The best framework is not the trendiest one. It is the one that matches your job. Need control? Pick LangGraph. Need role-based teams? Try CrewAI. Need Microsoft ecosystem features? Watch Semantic Kernel and Microsoft Agent Framework. Need knowledge retrieval? Use LlamaIndex. The smartest choice starts with the workflow, not the logo. Don't miss future AI updates. Subscribe now.